Roblox Game Time! Ah, yes. The old, yay, the old Roblox game channel called I Love Elevators 48298, which is my channel. Yes, this is posted on a computer. This is from computer to mobile, so yeah, it's kind of a connection. This is the computer right here, and it's connecting to each other, and so is the mobile, the iPad, and I'm on blue. I'm gonna try playing this. First round, skill round, second round, another skill round, and third round. No, actually only 2 rounds. Okay, so the first one is the skill round. That involves doing this. Yeah, get destroyed, buddy. You don't have to take the high ground, that would just waste your time. I also didn't know that you make holes, huh? That's weird. Yeah, I think some people are gonna come in this server. Oh god, that scared me. And go! I'm not confused. Show this, buddy. Yeah, boy! Oh yeah, look at that hotness. Look at that hotness. Why? Oh, I got launched! Thanks for the launch pad. Shift lock. There we go. I just made a different disadvantage. Okay, once we're at like 30 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and take the other flag. That's why we're doing 30 seconds. I camp on the other side. Well, let's just take some time to destroy the high ground. That would be nice. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm not gonna there now. That made it. Let's see how much 4 does. 4. Here's the third one. Here's the fourth one. Oh, 5. Okay, I'm not gonna dig anymore. Let's destroy the high ground. Wow! He just made a bigger hole. Shit lock. Go ahead. Go ahead and take my shit. Ooh. Oh my god. That's the last one, right? Oh, yup. Can only dig up. Like that. Don't kill me. Okay. Last one! Okay, there we go. Okay, let's take the last flag before time runs out. No. What if it lands in the water? What happens? Okay, time's almost up. No! Okay, guess what? I'm not gonna win. Oh well. Let that do that thing. No, kill me. Kill me. No, kill me! Okay. Four, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. And it's broken again. Okay, there we go. Shit lock. Remove the F from the shit. From the shift, I mean. And then you get a free swear. It's broken. That involves destroying this. It's glitching on my screen again. I forgot shitlock. Yeah, shitlock. Work, shitlock! I'm gonna take their flag just in case. Let me out. There it goes. Oh god, that's scary. Yeah, go buddy! Nope, that doesn't work. Fortunately. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, go take it with us! Oh, yeah, shitlock. Shitlock didn't work for a second. Let's see that massive hole. This is the massive hole. Okay, this is the massive hole. You can't even bowl down anymore. Let's see here. Okay, it's now all broken. Okay, yeah, I'm having a fun time, but I have to chat. I have to capture them. Hell of fun here. No! Okay, good. Moi. Everybody can go in this bridge, it just takes a long time. Officially, if you fall down that hole, you will lose. Apparently. Yes. Might work. That's another hole. So I believe it takes 7. I think it takes 7. It's time to make a long jump. No, it doesn't work. No! Let's do
Mẹ mới là ngay đến nghỉ là mẹ mới tụi quay ngày mai là đi do ngày quay.
Không thương nói nữa.
Không thương thôi. Từ khi mới cật quá.
Sorry about that.
I'm
gonna capture this flag. Okay, I'm just gonna hold the jump button. Hold it. Hold the jump button. Okay, make it in 10 seconds. Yep, there we go, shift lock. Another loss. The flag is dead. Okay, kill me. No, kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Okay. Okay, that's more extreme. Oh my god. Just wait. Bye. It's been a fun time, but we have to go once again. Bye!